Catalytic converters are genuinely one of those things that sound boring until you hear how much they're worth. Fact: the price of platinum, rhodium, and palladium inside them has shot up 300% in the last decade. That's not pocket change. So what even makes these hunks of metal so valuable? The real secret is that these tiny filters scrub the exhaust fumes coming from your car, and those precious metals inside trigger chemical reactions to clean the air. Basically, they're tiny pollution-fighting robots. Think about it. Most people don't even know they have a catalytic converter, let alone that it might be worth $500 or even $1,500. Meanwhile, there's an entire market of thieves under your car with a saw, thanks to the metal prices. It's a bit wild. If you want to know what yours is worth, step 1 is quick. Look under your car. Find the converter. It looks like a shiny metal can in the exhaust line. Take a photo and jot down any numbers or letters stamped on it. That's your golden ticket. The next move is to actually decode those numbers. Hop online. There are forums and online buyers who will identify the make, model, and year by those serial numbers. Some sites like ConverterDatabase or Ecotrade have huge catalogs. Don't skip this, as there can be $1,000 difference. Common pain point: not every converter is equal. The one off a Prius might buy you a weekend trip to Bend, but one from your dad's rusted '99 pickup might get you like a burger. Pro tip: hybrids and foreign cars usually have the pricey ones. Here's another factor: condition really matters. If your catalytic converter's been gutted or it's burnt out, all those precious metals are gone, and it's just an expensive chunk of pipe. Always get a photo of the mesh inside it if you can. Next, there's the selling process. If you walk into a scrapyard with it, you might get $40. But contact a specialized recycler, mail it in, and suddenly that same piece could land $400. Yes, it's that much of a spread. 10x difference just for knowing where to sell. A pain point, especially here in Portland and other cities. Theft insurance rarely covers your full loss. Some people end up paying $2,000 for a repair, while the thief gets a couple $100. Best protection? Etch your VIN on it and park in well-lit places. Theft is so rampant that major cities have spiked their police patrols, and some shops now weld cages or steel bars around your converter. Costs $100, $200, but a 20-minute thief becomes a 45-minute fail. Not foolproof, but a big deterrent. If you're thinking about replacing or recycling your old converter, always check local laws. Here in Oregon, it's illegal to sell a converter without clear proof it's yours. You do not want to end up in a police report over a scrap deal gone bad. So, to sum it up, catalytic converter value is a weird cocktail of precious metal prices, car make, luck, and where you sell it. If you remember nothing else, always check the codes and never assume the scrapyard is your only option. There's big money in those tiny cans.